Welcome back to Kunganana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media, episode 31. Better than a Gila lion with the purest heart? Daring to look up, Jena sees the lioness strung up with fear in her eyes. She looks younger than him and seems like she's very sheltered. Yes, much better. Go on, I'm listening. Have you ever wondered why the devil told you to stay out of the sun, to run away at dawn? The sun will kill me, that's why. And yet the sun is the purest form of light. As I see the seed I planted take root, I hear a rustle in the leaves and know my fathers are up there. I pray that they don't interrupt. No, it's sun, isn't it? Is it? Where is the devil now? I don't know. And yet he's left you here to starve and scavenge when you could embrace the dawn and be as powerful as him. He didn't want you to know, so he lied. And we all know the devil is a liar. As she ponders my words, I take the chance to fully look at her and hold back my shudder. Her skin is a mix of black and a murky green with eyes all over her body, eyes that are currently closed. Tune in tomorrow for more Kunganana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.